Hey everyone, thank you so much for dropping by. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you. I am Vilma. So today's video, it's going to be an update of this hair tool na na-review ko sa inyo, like the professional hair salon steam styler. I shared to you my review 2 months ago, and I share also to you my review of this one step hair dryer and styler 4 months ago. So medyo matagal-tagal na siya, and I thank you all and update for me guys about this hair tool, if okay pa ba yung kanyang performance or consistent ba yung kanyang result sa aking buhok, okay? But before getting in this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for your notification sa aking mga future upload. Thank you so much and I really appreciate. Now let's move on with this update. So let me share to you my review first of this professional hair salon steam styler, which is this one. Actually, I've been using this already 2.5 months already, kasi before I share to you my review of this hair tool guys, ginamit ko na siya for 2 weeks and then I share to you my review. So 2.5 months na ginagamit ko ito. For 1 month, I really like it because it's give me shine, silky, and smooth hair. Even I can make style whatever I want because it is easy to glide, and it's also give me volume to my hair. And what I like most, kasi I can add water and I can add also may macadamia nut oil here in this water tank. Hindi lang siya very easy to glide, and it gives volume at the same time na protektahan niya ang aking buhok. After 1 month of using, na-notice ko na it's not consistent anymore yung kanyang result sa aking buhok. And I found out na it makes my hair dry, especially dito sa mga edges ng aking buhok guys, and it's no longer like easy to glide like before. Now it's something to stop. So the tendency or the result, it has a lot of hair fall. Okay, so before 1 month that it's easy for me to glide on, it doesn't show me even a lot of hair fall. But now, my 2 months guys, talaga ang dami ng hair fall na natatanggal sa aking buhok, as you could see here in the screen. And it's no longer the same result like shine, silky, and hindi ko na siya magawa ng talagang tuwid na tuwid. At the same time, I can volumize my hair. It's no longer like that. And after I use this one, I have to touch my hair. It's not the same result before. It's really something like a little bit dry and rough na yung aking buhok. Hindi na siya ganun ka-shine and smooth. So I researched about this steam hair styler since I wash my hair twice a week, so I have to use this to fix my hair twice a week. So yun ang nangyari, and I add may macadamia oil, which is wrong to add oil here because it's damage your hair. Something like piniprito mo yung inyong buhok while you are fixing it using this hair tool, okay? So pag steam styler lang pala siya, you don't have to add macadamia oil or whatever oil you are using to your hair. Just leave it only water guys. So I'm adding only water, and I don't find it anymore the same or consistent yung result niya sa aking buhok. So advise you is that you have to use this one only twice a month, not twice a week. Kasi pala, pag ginagamit mo siya every week, it has tendency talaga na mag-dry up yung inyong buhok, and eventually it will result to hair fall. So I stopped using this twice a week, and it turned out for me that this is no longer my favorite hair tool, guys, to fix my hair, because I have problem with the consistent result of this hair tool sa aking buhok. So I've been using this now only kung gusto ko, but I'm not really that fan of this hair tool now, guys, dahil I want something, a hair tool that the result to my hair is consistent. Okay, yung the same result kahit matagal mo na siyang ginagamit, the same result pa rin. Pero it turns out that this hair tool really changed a lot yung result niya sa aking hair. So I stopped using this, and I'm just use this only if I like. If I don't like, so I just leave it. Actually, I leave it only in the box. It's been 3 weeks na hindi ko na talaga siya ginagamit, guys, because of this result sa aking hair na nag-dry yung aking buhok sa kanya. So it's not really highly recommended. It's up to you, guys. I tell you already the update of this hair tool. It's up to you if you want to try or not. Okay, so this is all about this hair tool, guys. Now let's move on with the second hair tool na gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung kanyang update. Okay, the one stick hair dryer and styler hair tool, which is this one. So let's move on with this, and I could tell you that I've been using this for 4 months now, but before I share to you my review, ginamit ko na rin siya 2 weeks like this one. Okay, so I've been using this approximately 4.5 months na. The result is still the same. As you could see, it's give me really shine, volumized, silky, smooth hair, and less frizzy, and less damage, and less hair fall. I noticed this tool, guys, this hair tool, you don't need to use this like facing in your face like this. Dito talaga sapak yung init sa inyong skin, and it might cause you face pigmentation. So ito lang ang ayaw ko sa kanya. Talagang I avoid to use this direct to my face. What I'm doing is opposite from my face, guys. So I'm doing like this para mas malayo yung kanyang hot air na lumalabas dito from the brush. So yun ang ginagawa ko pag ganun ako, guys, and it's very good, and not like before. As you could see, guys, consistent yung kanyang results sa aking buhok, and I really don't regret buying this hair tool, guys. This is highly recommended for you guys. Very good hair tool na ginagamit ko sa aking hair, and less hair fall, as you could see here on the screen. I highly recommend you this one, guys. It's very good, and it's really very consistent yung kanyang results sa aking hair. The same like before na binili ko siya, and I try it immediately for 2 weeks. The same result until now. It's a very good hair tool, guys. I like it, and I can use this also. My hair is wet or dry, you can still use this one and still give a really great volumize to your hair, shine, silky, and smooth. So guys, this is all about my review of this hair tool, and I hope you find it really very interesting update of these 2 hair tool, guys. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for your notification para sa aking mga future upload. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you on my next one. God bless.